Hi everyone, here is Julie from Indigo Handmade Design, your go-to place for beautiful and easy crochet patterns. In today's tutorial, I'm showing you how to make this gorgeous crochet floral table runner featuring a delicate lace stitch and a stunning 3D flower border. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced crocheter, this pattern is fun, relaxing, and perfect for home decor. So grab your yarn and hook and let's get started. And before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new crochet tutorial. Let's crochet together. So for my today's project, I'm going to use for my table runner this yarn right here. This is 100% acrylic. It is 100 grams, 230 meters. You are going to need 2.5 of them, and to create my border I'm going to use Papagallo. This is from Grundel. It is also 100% acrylic yarn. These all yarns are category 3 or decay yarn, so this is 100 grams, 360 meters. And also this one here, this is also from Grundel, size 3, acrylic weight yarn. In addition to the yarn, I'm going to use my 4mm crochet hook. You are also going to need a pair of scissors and your needle to weave in your loose ends. To make this table runner, we are going to start first with our cream color, and I am using a 4mm crochet hook. Make a slip knot and then chain a multiple of 8 plus 3, so I'm going to chain a total of 59 chains, and make sure that your chain is loose. If you have trouble in making a loose chain, go ahead and take a 4.5 or even a 5mm crochet hook. So chain 59. Once you've chained your multiple of 8 plus 3, so in my case 59, we are going to start. The first row is going to be a double crochet row, so for this go ahead and chain 2 more, yarn over, and starting into the 4th chain from the hook into the back bump of the chain, make 1 double crochet, and then make 1 double crochet in each chain into the back bump till the end of the chain. At the end of the chain, you are going to have a total of 59 double crochet. So this is going to be your foundation row. So 59 double crochets done for row 1. Now from row 2, this is a 1 row repeat, the pattern that we are going to make. You are going to chain 3 to step up for the next row. This counts as a double crochet, and then you are going to make 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. So you will have 3 double crochets in total, and then you are going to chain 1, skip 1, double crochet into the next, and again chain 1, skip 1, double crochet into the next, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet into the next, 1 double crochet into the next 2 stitches. And this is your pattern repeat all the way down the row. So you will have 3 of these little windows and 3 double crochets. So again, your pattern repeat starts here, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet into the next, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet into the next, chain 1, skip 1, and now you will make 3 double crochets into the next 3 stitches. See, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet into the next, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet into the next, chain 1, skip 1, and now you will have your 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. So repeat all the way down the row. At the end of the row you are going to end with 3 double crochets into your last 3 stitches. So I am here at the end of my second row, so your last stitch is going to be on top of your third chain, and basically this is it. So this is going to be your 1 row repeat. So let me show you one more time. You are going to chain 3 to step up, turn your work. This is your first double crochet, and then you are going to make 1 double crochet on top of the double crochets, and then you are going to chain 1 and skip the chain and double crochet on top of the double crochet, and again chain 1, skip the chain, double crochet on top of the double crochet, chain 1, and now double crochet on top of your 3 double crochets from the previous row. So I'm going to work my remaining rows of camera, and I'm going to work so I'm going to repeat this second row right here for a total of 105 rows. And with your first row you will have 106, and your very last row is going to be a plain double crochet rows, so you will have a total of 107 rows. Okay, so my table runner is now completed. I ended up doing 107 rows, and I finished with 1 plain double crochet row. Now it's time to create the beautiful border. Okay, now to make the border I'm going to work first 1 row of single crocheting all the way around my table runner with the green color. So go ahead, make 1 slip knot and then join to your double crochet row right here with a single crochet, and this is also going to be your first single crochet. Now in each double crochet row you are going to make 2 single crochets, so go all the way around and make 2 single crochets in each double crochet row, and then once you've worked in the length of the table runner you are going to be down here, so you are going to have here 2 single crochets, and then you are going to start working in your starting chain. So in each stitch you are also going to make 1 double crochet, 1 single crochet, oh excuse me about that, and in this very first stitch and also in this stitch right here, instead of making 1 single crochet you are going to make 2 single crochets in there. So you will have here on the side 2 single crochets, and then in this stitch 2 single crochets, and then 1 single crochet in each stitch until you reach your next corner. And in here in this 3 chain space, a third chain actually, you are also going to have 2 single crochets and then 2 single crochets here on the side of the table runner, and also on this side you are going to have 2 single crochets and then 1 single crochet in each stitch, and you are going to end up with 2 single crochets into this very last stitch right here, and then just slip stitch to your very first single crochet, chain 1 and fasten off. Okay, so once you've worked with your green color all the way around your table runner, you are going to take the color that you want to make the flowers, make a slip knot, and then I'm going to join right here with a single crochet to my very first stitch here on the side, and then you are going to make 5 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and into the third chain from the hook go ahead and make 2 double crochets, and make sure that you are going under both loops right here. So 1 and 2. We are now creating 5 petals. Now you are going to chain 2 and slip stitch into the same third chain. So all of the petals are going to be worked into this chain right here. Now for the second petal you are going to chain 2 and make 2 double crochets into the chain, 1 and 2. And now you are going to chain 2 and slip stitch into this same chain down here, like so. Second petal. Now go ahead and create 5 of these petals in total. Now once you have 5 petals in total, go ahead and kind of organize your petals, and now you are going to chain 2 and then skip 3 stitches down here at the base of your work. So 1, 2, 3, and into the 4th stitch make 1 single crochet. So organize your petals like so. Now we are going to start creating the second petal. So chain 5, 3, 4 and 5, and start making your petals into the third chain from the hook, going under both loops. So first 2 double crochets, and then chain 2 and slip stitch into the same chain, first petal, then chain 2, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, chain 2 and slip stitch into the same chain, second petal, chain 2 and then 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, chain 2 and slip stitch, third petal, chain 2, 2 double crochets, chain 2 and slip stitch. This is your 4th petal, chain 2, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, and then chain 2 and slip stitch. And this is your 5th petal. Now go ahead and organize your petals, and now you are going to chain 2 and then skip 3, 1, 2 and 3, and single crochet into the next. And this is going to be your border. So go ahead and work all the way around your table runner, and that's it. Once you are here, you are just going to slip stitch to your first stitch. If you need to chain 2, you are going to chain 2, kind of manipulate these flowers so that fits at the end, and go ahead weaving all of your loose ends. And you are also going to need to block your table runner, and then it's ready to decorate. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this crochet floral table runner tutorial and feel inspired to make your own. If you loved this pattern, give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment and let me know what colors you'd use. Subscribe for more crochet tutorials every week and also check out my other crochet home decor patterns and also give me a follow on Instagram for more crochet inspiration. Happy crocheting and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.